Affiliate marketing tips and tricks to increase profits. Affiliate marketing is able to draw so many people in because there's a myth going around that it's an easy thing to do. Pushing someone else's product might seem simple on its face. After all, it's the company's brand and promotion that's ultimately selling the product. Right? Wrong. If this is how you think being an affiliate works, you need to watch this video. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. You will find a lot of affiliate marketing material online available for free, so always remember to sign up for multiple newsletters and e-zines. You are not necessarily looking to copy the moves other people are making or to follow someone else's path verbatim, but you can find some great inspiration. When trying to get inbound links, focus on getting them from reputable sites. Having your page linked from just a few high-profile or highly regarded sites will do you much more good than having your site linked from 20 different link farms. Stay away from the link farms as much as possible so you don't suffer guilt by association with them. A great affiliate marketing tip is to create product comparisons. Creating product comparisons can be a great way for you to promote two products at once. All you have to do is remember to be honest about the products you're promoting, and to give specific recommendations for each of the products. Remember as an affiliate that every type of online marketing will help you to prepare for your business as an affiliate. From video marketing to network marketing and even hopping around social media sites, it all ties in with being an affiliate. The more you learn about other types of marketing, the better you will do as an affiliate. Build your site to entice people to click on your affiliate links. If you spend time making a big how-to page with just a mention at the end that they should also try this program, you are not going to get a lot of hits on that link. You have to give customers a real reason to want to take that step. As you've undoubtedly learned from the tips provided in the video above, you are essentially the company, the brand, even though it isn't really your product. You still have to treat affiliate marketing as your legitimate business, and the tips you've learned throughout this video will help you to brand yourself online. Student loan.